Hey guys, what's up? My name is Trish. Welcome to my channel, Trish the Natural. In today's video, I will be styling with mousse. Actually, I'm wrapping up my series of styling with mousse, and the product I'll be using today is the Creme of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. I'll be using this today, and like I said, I'm wrapping up my series with mousse. It's been fun styling with mousse. One thing I can say about it, I've gotten really good results with the different brands of mousse that I've tried. And I know if I need to style my hair in a hurry, I need for it to dry quickly, I can grab some mousse and get the job done. So that's one good thing I learned about it. And I also learned that mousses that are made these days, because it used to be, to me, years ago when I used to style with mousse, that my hair felt really crunchy and dry. And I can say the products that I've used in this series, I would say just about all of them made my hair feel soft, fluffy, didn't feel dry or crunchy. So I'm thinking now they're putting more moisturizing properties in these products. So that's a good thing. Okay, so let's get started. I've been debating on if I'm going to add a leave-in because I really don't have a leave-in. I have Creme of Nature leave-in, but I do not have one from this Argan oil line. So I'm kind of concerned about that. My hair has dried out and it's getting tangled. So I'm gonna put some water on it, and I'm going to do a braid out. If I didn't say it, I guess I should have said what style I was going to do. I'm going to do a braid out today. Yeah, my hair is drying out. And I'm going to do a jumbo braid out. My last video, I did a jumbo twist and curl. It turned out good. So I'm going to try a jumbo braid out, and I'm only going to have 4 braids. But like I said, guys, I was debating on using the leave-in this time. All the other times I did use a leave-in because that particular line in that brand, I had a leave-in, or at least a really light leave-in. But the only leave-in I have from Creme of Nature is the Creme of Nature Pure Honey leave-in. And I don't know, I'm kind of thinking it's kind of thick. Even though it sprays out, it's kind of thick. I'm kind of scared to. I don't know if I should. I think I should just go with the mousse this time. I think I'm just going to go with the mousse this time. I'm only going to have 4 braids again. And I'm going to part it down the middle. Just part it down the middle. Put a little water on it to re-moisturize, especially since I'm not putting a leave-in. I don't know if I should use that leave-in. I do not know. Let me look. I'm not sure. It says create soft wraps, define curls, prevents frizz, and add shine. Oh, it says no drying alcohol, so I think I'm just gonna go with the mousse this time. Just wanna get my hair rehydrated. Okay. I'm feeling better. Look at this side compared to this side. Okie dokie. Here we go. Okay. It's really foamy. That's what it's looking like. Let's see how it goes on. How does it feel? Feels okay. Since I'm making this like jumbo like this, I really got to make sure I get it on all my strands. All my strands are covered. And I am going to put a rod on the end too. And I think I'm going to try to position this braid like kind of up a little bit, not like down here, but up a little bit, like right there. Let me put a little more. Get it from root to tip, like they said. And another thing that I noticed in doing this series, and for all the other ones, I put a leave-in on one side of my hair, and one side I just did mousse only. When you put a leave-in, it doesn't take to the hair, you know, because of course you got a layer in between. But when it's just straight mousse, I feel it adheres to the hair better. Okay. Let me separate it. It has gotten a little, I did detangle it, but it's kind of tangling up on me. Okay. So I want to position this higher up so I can have my definition close to the top where the part is. See where I'm putting it way up here instead of down here. And I want to braid it firm because it's jumbo and I want to get some definition. So I'm braiding it firm. And I'm smoothing down. But I am going to leave some hair at the end because I want to put a rod on the end. And I'm using perm rods on the end. Okay, that's nice and firm. Okay, how much I'm going to leave out? I think that's a good amount. Make sure I got this braided really good. I want a nice curl. Nice curl. Okay. Ooh, it's slippery. Okay. Get a rod. Okay. Trying to see how I'm going to do this. Wait a minute. one with the rod. Do it like this. I hope this turns out okay. Okay, and I don't want it to come down, so I'm gonna loop it right here where the braid is, so it should not roll down. It didn't roll down. Okay, so that's one. So I got 3 more to do. I'm gonna do the rest of them off camera, guys, so I can look in the mirror and really see what I'm doing and get it how it needs to be. And I'm gonna sit in the dryer for a little while, and I'm gonna leave it in because with it being a braid, it's probably gonna take even longer to dry, but I'll come back when it's all dry and I'll show you guys the results. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been 2 days since I installed my braids, my 4 braids for my braid and curl, using the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. So let's see what it's looking like. Okay, these are my 4 braids. The one in the back, it kept like wanting to come down and unravel. One of my rods broke, so look, this one broke. I got to get me some new rods. Like I said, I got to get some new rods. Okay, see what the curl is looking like. I'm not confident in these curls, I'm telling you, because those rods on their last leg, I probably would have done better like last time with the flexi rods, but I wanted a tighter curl. So this is what it's looking like. I should be able to take these down hopefully quickly, since I only have 4. I can tell you guys right now, it doesn't feel very moisturized. It feels kind of dry. What I always mention, like in the other videos using Mousse, I say they didn't feel like Mousse used to feel to me on my hair. A kind of dry feeling. Okay, let me get the other 2 down. Yeah. Now, I mean, I didn't put any leave-in on, but even with the other ones, I only put leave-in on only one side, and even the side that did not have the leave-in, those other ones, they did feel, they still felt like they had some moisture to it, and my hair felt drier. So this is the initial takedown, guys. This is what it's looking like. It does have shine. I'll give it that. It does have shine. So what I'm going to do real quick, I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to separate and fluff, and I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I want to pop back on real quick to show you when you have like jumbo twist or jumbo braids, when you separate it and fluff it, it can take just as long as with the smaller ones, because see, this is what you end up with, like a nice, you know, big piece like this, and you have to, you know, go through it and separate it. just the same. So just because you have jumbo pieces doesn't mean that the takedown and the separation is going to be super quick. So I just wanted to pop back on and show you guys that I'm still working on it. See, I still got some big chunky pieces back here that I need to separate it. So I'll be back. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. These are my final results of my 4-braid braid and curl using Creme of Nature, Argan All Shine, Style and Shine Foamy Mousse. These are my final results. Hopefully you guys can see it. I think it looks cute. I think I got some great results for just using 4 braids and some little, you know, rods on the end. I think I got great results. And it looks shiny. So I got definition. I got shine. I got a nice fluff, okay? I would give the mousse that. But it's dry, guys. It's dry, and I do not like my hair dry. And I was really gentle with separating it, because when your hair is dry, that's when, you know, you can, you know, break it. And I'm not trying to do that, not for any look. You know, I'm not trying to, you know, I'm not that much into, oh, my hair looking a certain way to sacrifice the health of my hair. I admit it looks nice. I got nice fluff and definition, even shine, but the dryness. And I can say, like, with the other mousse that I used in this series, I think they definitely had more moisture, even though some of them I did use a leave-in, but remember, I only used it on one side. The other side was mousse only. And with the other 3, even with using it mousse only, they were not dry like this. So with that, I will probably be refreshing my hair tomorrow. So, and if I do, I'll make a video on how I refresh my hair after I do a style and set it and already have some product in it. I'll do a video on that. So just to recap, this is a 4-braid braid and curl using Creme of Nature products to achieve this style. I started off with the Creme of Nature with Argan Oil, sulfate-free, moisture, and shine shampoo, which is nice. I like this. And I did not have a deep conditioner from Creme of Nature. I just got a few different products from them. It doesn't seem like I have a whole like line from, you know, this particular brand. So I used the shampoo, and so I used Miche deep conditioner to deep condition my hair, and it did great, and I got a video on that. And then to style my hair after deep conditioning, I used the Argan Oil Mousse. So that's it, guys. Again, these are my results. Happy with the look, not so much the feel, but you know, that's how it goes sometimes. So that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys stopping by. If you have any questions for me in regards to styling with mousse or any other natural hair questions, feel free to leave a message down below in the comments section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody else who you feel may benefit from the information. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.